Hi, welcome to Funnel Sport. I am Dipankar Rajora, and on behalf of Victor David, I am going to show you how you can use Funnel Sport. First of all, we can see here is a login screen basically. So first, just put the ID, password, and then do login. And now you can see the dashboard of the Funnel Sport. So yeah, you can see every kind of states, shares, how many subscriber you got, and everything like you can see here. Okay, so first of all, I would like to introduce about this app. Like in this app, this is basically this is basically uh, based on Facebook marketing, social media marketing, and on the board thing where you can run your content, run your posts automatically, get automatic comments, get automatic replies, like everything is will be on automation thing. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I want to show you a feature called social posting. Okay, so in this social posting you can create text post, image post, video post, link post, HTML post, or bulk post planner, like exact all kind of thing you can post in one time. Okay, so this is basically Facebook poster, the same thing as multimedia post, CTA post, or carousel or video post. Okay, so first of all, to start this process you have to add your Facebook account here. So let me show you how you can add that. Okay, so if you can see this option here, add a Facebook account, go here. You can see login with Facebook. I have already logged in, that's why I'm here. Okay, if I can remove this. Okay, and if I want to add any Facebook account here, I just do login in my different tab. If I am login here, then easily I can connect. Okay, and also you can just put your ID, password of Facebook, and you can connect. That's it. Okay, so this is for just make sure like you already logged in. Okay, so now um, add a FB account, login with Facebook, simple. Here this will ask about your permissions, and you can say continue as Dipankar Rajara, or if you want to use different account for this, you can choose different account. Okay, and simply you can just do this what already logged in. It's not take much time for kind of process. Might be my internet is slow maybe this time. So okay, so now this is my account, and what Facebook pages I have, that I can see here also. So basically you can run all automation thing via your Facebook pages. And first of all, what you have to do, just there is a options for enable bot connection. So for if you want to use any page for your automation marketing on Facebook, you just enable this process, and then okay, now this page is connected, and I can also connect this page also, Flight Studio. All right, so now we have connected the Facebook account, and now we have connected the pages. So now let's go to the social posting. This is very simple to use, like you can choose anything, like just if you want to post direct post on Facebook, this is just directly for use on Facebook. And this is social poster for, like, you can, I'll show you like how many kind of social media accounts you can add, and you can just one click you can share a single post in multiple social media platforms. All right, so let's start with Facebook poster. So we have already attached our account, so let's click here campaign list. So there is an option create new post, simple. By the way, this is very simple and easy to use. So any kind of user, if he's techie or non-techie, it doesn't matter, he can use easily. Okay, just campaign name for is like test for Facebook. Okay, message, if you want to put any message here like yeah, I'm posting this text post on Facebook by funnels post. I'm sorry, my typing is so horrible. Yeah, so and then which on the which page you want to post it. So you have connected Fly e-commerce and Fly Design Studio, and you have already pages here, because basically that board setting is for different thing, but now you have 4 pages to post it. Okay, so I choose Fly e-commerce. Also you can add Fly Design Studio, you can add whatever, how many page, whatever numbers of pages you have, you can just select and you can post in one time, and you can post uh, anything, text, link, image and video in single time on multiple pages. Okay, and there is an option like this is a auto reply template. When we will create the reply template thing, which I will explain in the next video obviously, then we will use this. Okay, and now this is posting time. Like if you want to post right now, so just when you click on click campaign, this will instantly do on the Facebook and just post it. Okay, but if you want to schedule it, it's just off this option. You can put the schedule time, like in the which date, which time you want to post, and repost this. Also you can also like how many times you can repost it. Okay, and with the every 1 month, 2 months, 6 month, you can give the specific time for that. And this is time zone. Also you can select like in the which time zone you are living right now. Okay, for example, yes, I'm living in 5:30, so let me choose my Indian and Maldives times, or maybe Asia or Kolkata. Okay, so if you want to schedule it, you can schedule, and if you want to post it now, just you can, and you can just click on the create campaign. Your this whole process will be live. Okay, let me click here once, then I'll show how to link image and video. It's the same thing, just upload the data and done. So now Facebook post has been performed successfully. Click here to see report. You can click here, you can see like is your post is running or pending or something. So now you can see here this is complete, like I put on Facebook commerce and Fly Design Studio. Let's see on my pages. So let me see where my pages here. Okay, so it's Fly Design Studio and Fly Commerce. Okay, see, yeah, I'm posting this text post on Facebook by funnel. Look how quick is it. Okay, so let me delete it because I don't want to post this right now, because this is just nothing. And you can see also in this different page, this is also here, right? And you can see published by Funnelsburg. That's okay. So see how cool is that. Just you can also post this your content, your thing on other social media platform also. Let me show you that. So now click on social media posting here. So let me show you once, for example, like how you can paste link, image and video for Facebook. Okay, yeah, so create new post. Here you can see how many posts you have done. Okay, like which kind of post type that was. Okay, action is like you can yeah, can view post or something, delete post or something. Okay, status is complete or pending or done, whatever. And so create new post. So now link, just campaign name like test for Facebook, link, sorry, link post, what message you want to keep. Okay, this is for link testing, and you can paste any link here, like you can upload any Vimeo video, any YouTube video, any kind of a blog, you can put anything, any kind of link you can post on whatever link is possible to post on Facebook, you can just paste here, and that will be same process will be done. Like you can post now, select which pages you want to post, which time zone you want to post it, and everything, like same process will be done. Okay, for example, I think in the recent link I have used some Vimeo videos maybe, so you can see the that video preview here. This post will be look like this. Okay, and you can, like, this is the link testing, so you can place a good content about your link or blog or videos, whatever you are posting. Okay, this is basically coming from link. And for same thing for image, like you can just upload your image, what image you want to upload. This is my baby picture actually. Yeah, for example, like simple this image you want to put, just that will be upload. Okay, same message, same campaign name, you can do same thing, which pages you want to post it, and everything is the same. Okay, you can see the preview also. And same thing with video, you can upload your video. Okay, or you can use any link here. Okay, you can upload any thumbnail from here for any video you want to, like for a video, thumbnails are much exciting when they are attractive, obviously you see that, and whenever you use a good thumbnail on the video, which get more attraction, so also you can upload that thumbnail from here. And maybe if you have link for that from any other server, you can just copy that link and paste here, that thumbnail will be shown. Okay, and the same thing will be follow. So this was the Facebook poster. Let me come and be back. But this is same as this is CTA options, and this is carousel and video post, same like you can if you know about carousel and slideshows, like slide by slide, some 3 slide 4 slide, if you want to post for your product or services, you can paste here and same thing will be follow. Let me show you once what is inside. So create new post. Okay, so for the carousel is like you see, like there's a slides on the post, if you ever notice on the Facebook. So basically you can create from here. Okay, which page you want to post, campaign name, and slider link, message, a slider content, like for the one slide what content you want to put, or add more content, just add here, add more slide, like that, whatever how many slides you want, just add it, fill up and just publish. Okay, and also you can schedule here. And for video slideshow is like you can upload image, multiple video here. Okay, slide by slide. This is like a particular time, like for 4 second 5 second, the slide will be changed to the next slide. It's like you can add multiple slides, image slides here, simple, and after some few seconds, like for 3 seconds, the slide will be rotating, like one after second, then after 3, then after 4, is like that. So same thing, you can schedule and you can create campaign right now. And let's come to the another social media platforms, like how you can post a one single post on multiple social media channels in just one click. Okay, so for the social media, let's social poster, sorry, let's come with text post, same thing, image post, video post is the same thing. So create new post, like test for social media post, like for the Reddit and Medium platforms, you need title, so you can put the title here. And yeah, one thing I have to tell you, we have a Medium option. If you know about Medium, which is a very good platform like for story content writers, like where user or some storytellers write their stories, and there's a chance to they can make money from this site also. If people like that content, meet the Medium app give them some part of that subscription fee. So this is very cool, and I'm sure this is the very first time we are introducing Medium app in our software. So this is going to be a new angle for sure. So for the title, like title is might be same, it's okay, you can choose any title for that. Message, whatever message you want to put here, whatever message. Okay, and same thing, post time or post now. And now the second biggest thing is there are social media channels is like Facebook, you already connected that, Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit and Medium.